Hello, everyone. Today is June 25th, 2025. This is the Kubernetes Data Protection Working Group meeting. So today, let's see, we will look at CPT status. Can someone talk about the status? Hey, what happened to the blog? Is it published yet?
Not yet. I pinged Doc's team to have another look, but we didn't get any new feedback to that. So today I got a response that I pinged them. They'll say they'll take a look.
They'll take a look. Okay. Did they give like a new date? Or maybe they don't really need a date. They just whenever it's ready, it can be published, I guess. Because
Yeah, they said
yeah.
they'll release that as a article, not as a release log.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's just it's a blog. It's just it's not going to add the 1.33 in the title, I guess, because it's right. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Let's see. Or I should say blog. Okay, I'll just say missed 1.33. But still being reviewed. Whenever review is done. Okay. And do we have other topics for this for CPT? So Carl, I see that you submitted this one. Yeah. So we can take a look.
I'll have to update the cap too, but let this go first.
I'm sorry?
I'll have to update the cap too.
Oh, okay.
Let this go first. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Would S. Oh, this is just some wording change, I guess. Looks like, right?
Oh, okay. Oh, fine.
It's
Yeah, no problem.
good word. Okay. It just looks like okay. I will also take a look of the wording, and Ben, please also review this. I don't know if Ben is talking.
What am I reviewing? Sorry.
Oh, this is remember that we talked about adding an error code like field precondition.
Oh,
CPT, right?
yeah.
So
Sorry.
He submitted this. So this is in the agenda doc.
So this is a new PR to the CSI spec repo.
Yes.
Yeah. So basically,
Okay.
add error code.
Thanks for the pointer.
Modified. Yeah. So it's here. I can also put it in your chat later. So you can Okay, so that's that. Are there what else? Anything else for CPT that we need to discuss, or it's just a hello?
I think Rakshit had the RBD implementation PR. And I'll share the link in the
I'm sorry,
channel.
I'm sorry, what implementation? What?
Rakshit had implementation of okay, let me check. He had shared a PR in our development sync.
On
This is about on safe RBD.
Oh, self RBD. Okay.
Yeah, so they're making progress basically on a first implementation.
Okay. Okay, it looks like we don't have that. Okay, implementation.
I mean, it's not in the CSI purview per se.
Yeah, implementation.
Vendor,
Vendor implementation, basically, right?
Yeah.
Self RBD. In progress.
Yeah. Do you have a link handy, Carl?
Yeah, I can paste the link.
Okay. right? Anything else? That's it. Okay. So I need to I need to work on this. Just to, I have not done this yet, so this is still to do. So I need to work on the this replication group thing at use cases. I need to put together that doc. So still to do. And other than that, oh, and the voting group snapshot. So that because voting group snapshot because this is we're still beta v1 beta 2 in 1.34. So this one cap merged PR on API update will be submitted soon. And then yeah, the CSS spec side is already merged. CSI spec side, right? Is that merged? I thought it's merged. I believe it's merged, right, Ben?
So some PRs from you again.
Yeah, I think it's merged, right? Is that not merged? Oh, not merged yet. Oh no, it is merged. This is just a wording change, looks like. This is just okay, so the other one is merged. Oh, okay, so this one looks like a to-do on me. So this is just some wording change. I think there's a comment I forgot to address this one, but the other one, the get is already merged. Yeah, this one's merged.
Okay, get is merge 586.
Okay. Side get, snapshot, are merged. Okay. So so I think those are the few things. And yeah, I think that's it. Another update, well, actually not really related to Dilbert. Oh, or some comments. Okay. Yeah, so another update, not really related to data protection side, but the VAC side. So Ben, there is a CSI spec change here. Remember we talked about this one. Well, I can add this in your chat so you can take a look later. So this
Has there been progress on this while I was gone?
This is the modified voting with topology.
Yeah, this is a hard one. So
It is, yeah. So not really EP specific. So, but I can put this in your chat. They submitted this one. So I can schedule a meeting next week because they say they have some outing this week, but they do have this. There's also
okay,
I think
yeah. We need a larger group meeting to get into the details on this, but it's good to have something concrete to argue about. So
yeah.
this can serve as a starting point.
Yeah, so no, they have two. Okay, so they have two. They have two PRs, I guess. Oh, this is basically they submit two. One is to modify the existing one. The other one is a new. This is a new one. Yeah.
Oh, it's like multiple choice. We get to choose.
Oh, just there are two. I think they still prefer to do this, but
But I mean,
you have already
the
said.
intention is both of these don't merge, right? They want one
Oh
or the
yeah.
other.
We can only merge one. We cannot merge two. Yeah. So basically, this is just for discussion. So they have two here. I believe you prefer this approach, right? We need to take a look at the details. This is like a new API.
Yeah, I can't express a preference without looking at it in detail.
Yeah, sure, of course. Yeah, I also asked them to at least to lay out like how do you use this in Kubernetes, either update cap or write up some workflows, right? We have
My suspicion is that that'll be fairly obvious from the
previous one. Yeah, maybe.
line.
Yeah, it could be. Yeah, but yeah, it's okay. I'll just if they have it, maybe better. But maybe just by looking at this maybe clear enough, right? And then okay, next week Sad will be back. Do you know? You're not sure?
I don't.
Oh, okay, that's okay
I don't
because
know what Saad's vacation plans are.
because this week he's not here because if we do the meeting this week He's in Australia.
If you want to know, I can go try to look right now.
Oh,
Hold
no,
on.
no, that's okay. He said it's okay if we can't because he's not really on vacation, I think. At least this week he's traveling to Australia for
Oh,
work, but then it's going to be difficult for us to find a time that works for everybody because he's there and then we have people in Europe and so that's why he said, hey, if you really need to do this week, then we can go without him. That's what he was saying. And he can sync up with you later. But if it's next week, maybe he will be back. So we'll see. So I'll try maybe on Monday, I'll try to schedule something and just see if anyone is available next week. Or maybe I should try something this week, right? Maybe I should try to figure out a time this week. Okay, I'll see. I'll ping you later and schedule something. Okay, so that's that one. And other than that, I don't think I have other topics. Any other topics? No? Then
No, thank you.
we have a quick meeting today. Thank you. Bye.
Cheers.
thanks.